So today we decided we were going to try something new that we've never tried before, and we tried to go to one Mexican restaurant in Mount Dora, but they had a big craft fair today and it was a little bit too much. So we decided to come to this place. I can't pronounce it, but we'll ask them. And they got some outdoor seating. Perla Tapatia, I don't know if that's how you say it, is located at 2060 South Bay Street, Eustis, Florida. This is the name of the place. Yeah, something like that. Their hours are Sunday through Thursday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Friday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. They got sugar skulls. I love sugar skulls. And they have some skeletons. Yeah, he's gonna give kisses for 25 cents. Love the sign. And ghosts or witches hanging everywhere. He's got stuff in his box. It doesn't look like good stuff. Alright, so let's head on in and see. It is a really cool place. It's very cool. Look at it. All the freaking lights and stuff. Do we have to wait? Look at the lights. They're beautiful. Those ones look like they're made out of gourds or something. Look at a little projection on the floor. And more seating back here.
Is there any way that you can add a little bit of jalapeno?
Lots and lots of drink options. She said the amore is one of their most requested. And then he's going to get a michelada but made with Corona. So I'm going to get the amore mio.
No, I was afraid to get one with two because I'm thinking that thing's going to be huge.
Huge, yeah, right? And she asked if he wanted one or two bottles, and he said just one. So then you got your 4 margaritas here. She said the watermelon one was really good and sweet. And then they had some mango and guava ones. Lots of options for margaritas. We got our chips and salsa. The salsa is a little spicy. Definitely tastes like it's homemade, not just something out of a jar. So if this is any indicator, I'm sure this place is gonna be good. Oh, what a menu. There's tons of appetizers. You gotta read the description to know what you're getting. You got your lunch menu down here. With soups and salads. Burritos and enchiladas. Create your own. Los Muertos, so that's for the children. Quesadillas and chimichangas. All kinds of tacos. Especiales, the vegetarian, nachos. Oh, now I need to decide what I'm gonna have. In the meantime, this chips and the salsa is amazing. So they have some weekly specials with happy hours and Thursday's ladies' night. They have lots of desserts. And then they have these margaritas in a bottle. Check that out. That is his Corona Rita.
No.
Well, it's
Michelada.
a michelada, but you made it with Corona.
Yeah.
So so it's a Corona Lada instead of a Michelada because it's made with Corona?
No,
or
it's
still just
a Michelada.
A Michelada. Okay. Well, the cup is really cool. It's like pottery. All right. You need to just give that baby a try. Squeeze a lime in there. Oh, you're going to put an orange in too? Why not? All right. I'm just gonna see how good that is. You got your spare beer too.
That's very good. Ooh, that's very good.
So I got an amore meal. It has mango and guava and tequila. That's good. That's really good. She came the first time and she said she thought she forgot to put the tequila in it, and I tasted it and I didn't taste tequila in it. She brought it back and the tequila is in it, and it is really good.
Thank you.
And we ordered some chorizo dip with the pico de gallo in it. Looks like a pretty good consistency. Doesn't look real runny. That's good.
Very good.
Chorizo, queso, pico de gallo, yum. So something Scott just pointed out was you should probably bring cash when you come here because you're going to get charged extra for using your card. I don't really care for restaurants that do that. This dip just gets better and better. The further you get down, it's spicy, it's got lots of chorizo. It just gets better and better.
Good.
So he won't let me see his steak and chicken tacos.
You're making money off of this. You have to pay to look at it.
I'm just,
That's okay. I forgot my wallet. You're gonna have to pay for the food.
dang it. Look at that. They're like filled with meat. I'm gonna put the lime on there. And I got the shredded chicken chimichanga. There's that inside of my chicken chimichanga. Your queso sauce. Didn't give us any hot sauce for the tacos. As usual, I can't eat all of mine, so I'm gonna have to box this up to go. And he forced himself to eat all 3 of his tacos. He said his chicken one is really good with that avocado in it. But I just can't force myself to this. I'm already gonna have to go home and air quote watch a movie, which is code for take a nap. I don't know if you can tell, but those are actually tequila bottles over those lights. And I don't want to get the people next to us, but they got a really good looking, when they brought it out, it was like in a little chimney kind of thing, and they lit it on fire. But I didn't get to video it. There you have it. So 2 drinks, an appetizer, 2 meals, and it's $59 if you pay with the card, but if you pay with cash, it is $56.73. Nope, we're gonna sneak out the back door because they have some outdoor seating here. You can't see, I'm blind, the sun's bright. So this is some of the Guadalajara, Mexico. You have to go inside to be seated with a little bit of grass. Got a bar out here. Nice big parking lot when we got here. This place was like full of cars, and now there's only 2. So as a recap, this was a last minute decision to just try something new. It's in Eustis. It was good. There's other Mexican restaurants that we think are a little bit better, but it was good. Definitely the salsa was really good. The
Chorizo queso was excellent.
Excellent.
It was really, really good. One of the better ones we've had.
Yeah. The michelada that he had with the Corona, that I still think should be a Corona-lada instead of a michelada, but that stuff just confuses me anyhow. He said that was really good, one of the better ones he had. Price-wise, it was smaller than some of the other ones that he's had. My drink was very good. Again, $12.99 for a mixed drink. You know, there's other places, but it was really good. My chimichanga was good, smaller portion than the other places we've been to, and the chicken was just kind of like not seasoned. And his steak tacos,
good quality meat, but just not much flavor. But definitely not bad by any means.
yeah.
We know some good places.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I think we're getting arrested.
The coppers are coming.
We just gotta get out of here.
All right, well, at least we're sitting still videoing this, but we're going to be out of here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We appreciate all the watches and subscribes. Really trying to push our videos out. Hoping to get to that 100,000 subscribers.
Take us to 100,000.
That's right. So pump it up, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.